With our nav mesh baked and our enemies ready to start getting some AI attached to them, we need to first establish some destinations for our enemies to move to. It's important to understand that our enemies need an actual target to move towards. They can't just randomly decide to move around the level. So what we want to do is create an empty game object, and we'll title it Destinations. Underneath our Destinations game object, we're going to create 5 more empty game objects. Oops. We don't want them to be children in that sense. We want them all to be on the same level as children underneath our Destinations object. So each time, click on Destinations and click Create Empty. We're going to add 5 of them. And then what I'm going to do, and you can do this either by selecting all of them using Control or Command and clicking, or holding Shift and clicking the top and bottom ones to select both the top and bottom and everything in the middle. We're going to select all of these and name them to Destination. What we then want to do is move this Destinations game object to approximately the center of our level. We actually got it pretty good here on the first try. But to make things a little bit even, we're going to set the X value to 270, set the Y value to 2, and the Z value to 270. That's going to put it in about the center of our map. It's a little bit off center. In fact, let's just go ahead and center it. We'll say 250, 2, and 250. So 250, 2, and 250. There we go. That's the exact center of our map because we made it 500 by 500 when we made our terrain. So from here, what we want to do is just move these destinations around the map. You can put these anywhere you want. I'm going to put mine at the end of each of these trails. So we've got one here, one here, one here, and one here. I didn't stack those, did I? No, okay, yeah. So we've got those all in their own locations, with the top one being centered at 250 to 250. Really, the important value here is this Y value of 2. We want to make sure that the Y value is 2 because that'll put it above the ground, and that'll allow our AI to accurately determine if it's going to the right spot.